This muskmelon and rose sago smoothie is refreshing and an excellent energy drink. The muskmelon has a high level of fiber and it helps digestion. It is also known for its high water content. Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. So let's start making muskmelon and rose sago smoothie. Here I have taken one medium sized muskmelon. Cut it and remove all the seeds. You can peel off the skin and cut it into pieces or simply scoop out the pulp. In a blender jar, add the chopped muskmelon. Add to it 1 cup of chilled milk. I am adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can add honey instead if you wish to. Additionally, I am adding 2 tablespoons condensed milk. Blend all the ingredients to a fine mixture. Here I have taken some fine granules of sago. I have soaked it in rose emulsion for an hour. Next, boil water in a pan and cook the sago till it becomes translucent. Now we will take a serving glass and add some rose syrup to coat the glass. Now we will pour in the muskmelon smoothie mixture. Add some rose flavored sago. Garnish it with a fresh sprig of mint. Muskmelon rose sago smoothie is ready. Serve it chilled. Enjoy!